Okay.
Yeah.
But it's good to see you back on television.
Thank you so much. It's good to be back.
And it wouldn't be wrong to say कि 4 साल का एक किस्म का आपने break लिया for the movie, right?
जी
ऐसा ही था ना?
बिल्कुल absolutely.
Absolutely ऐसे था. उस मूवी जो है उस पे हम आएंगे of course, उसका कोई अता पता नहीं है और जब भी शुएब मंसूर साहब की फिल्म का पूछा जाए तो उनका जवाब यही होता है कि या खुदा को पता है या शुएब साहब को पता है, इसके अलावा किसी को नहीं पता कि उनकी फिल्म का क्या हो रहा है. But we'll get to the movie first. There was Cheek and there was Jalan, then फिर सब break आपने लिया, फिर जाने जहाँ में you sort of came back to television. अब ऐसा लग रहा है that you're on a roll with TV serials and with dramas. You know, एक के बाद दूसरा आ रहा है. Somehow, because of your trajectory, I've always considered you a part-time actor. ऐसा लगा नहीं that you were ever really totally part of the Pakistani television industry. Is that a wrong assumption? Were you? Are you not? मतलब, where do you place yourself?
I wouldn't say I was a part-time actor because this is what I've been doing for the last 11
You
years
have.
full-time.
You have. You
Full-time.
have. हाँ.
जहाँ तक उसका ताल्लुक है कि मैं इतना frequent नहीं था. I don't know, आमना हमेशा से मुझे एक you can say कि एक अपने idols को देख के they've been very exclusive and very choosy about what they do and about the roles that they do also. मेरे साथ ये था since I don't live in Karachi, I live in Lahore and coming to Karachi in the first place was not very easy for me initially.
Right.
So I would just pick up one project and not multiple projects. So उससे हुआ क्या कि initially when I used to come to Karachi, I just used to get really homesick. And then in 2015, I told myself that sacrifice के बगैर progress नहीं हो सकती.
Right.
You cannot be in your comfort zone in your
Yeah.
घर and say कि I want to excel in what I do. So वहाँ से मैंने एक तहैया किया कि जो है कराची है, कोई श्रीलंका नहीं है, कोई दूसरा मुल्क नहीं है. You have to go to Karachi.
कभी-कभी लगता है दूसरा मुल्क लेकिन ठीक है.
But I have to say, I have to give this credit to Karachi that it welcomed me with open arms. जो आप contribute करना चाहते हो, जो value add करना चाहते हो, if you have the talent, it welcomes you.
Right.
And कराची ने बहुत सराहा मेरे इस contribution को. I would say I was lucky enough कि I was getting some gigs as an actor and उस पे मैंने अपने craft में बहुत improve किया. This is what I think because as Nietzsche says कि there's your way, there's my way, as for the right way, it does not exist.
Oh, we're going to be quoting Nietzsche in this interview, ठीक है?
So
Okay.
So what I believe कि आप you keep on evolving. You
Imad
keep on
has just set the intellectual bar very high.
I'm sitting with Hamna
From
Heather
there-
Afsani, what do you
from there
expect,
onwards,
huh?
this conversation is going to get very complicated. ठीक है.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So I just wanted to improve. I just wanted to improve my craft. I just wanted to go through the hours because जब भी आप किसी चीज़ को hours दोगे, अपने आप को commit करोगे, dedicate करोगे, तो तभी आप उसमें excel कर सकोगे. And in that process, ना चाहते हुए भी आप improve करते जाओगे.
Right, of course.
Once you, I think for me, acting is just like any other business. The more you mingle with people who are better than you, the more you mingle with the masters, आप खुद ब खुद improve करने लग जाते हो. You copy their traits, you observe them, and then
Right.
you start implementing in your own
So,
personality.
who in your career and your line of work would you consider people you have learned from? मतलब वो masters कौन थे?
जिनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला कि जिनको मैंने टीवी पे देखा.
दोनों.
Well, जिनसे मैंने बहुत चीजें चुराई हैं, that'd be Robert Redford,
Okay.
that'd be Philip Seymour Hoffman, that'd be
Okay.
Matt Damon, that'd be Tom Cruise, that'd be Clint Eastwood. I don't know किस किस का नाम मैं ले सकता हूँ.
Right.
So जिनके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, I was very lucky कि I was शुरू में बहुत experienced actors के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है. शुरू में जावेद शेख साहब के साथ, सबा हमीद के साथ,
बिल्कुल.
और I'm talking about this is 2013, 14,
Yeah,
15. And then बहुत अच्छे directors I was lucky enough to get to work with. शहजाद कश्मीरी, सैफी भाई के साथ एक दो छोटे से मैंने gigs किए थे. तो वहाँ से बहुत learn करने का मौका मिला. And वही वाली बात कि acting इतना वो complicated है. It's all psychological. I mean, your imagination, your voice, your body, this is the instrument.
Right.
And the more you work on it, the more you work on your personality, the more experiences that you have, उतनी आपकी फिर मेरे ख्याल से craft के ऊपर भी improvement आने लग जाती है. So I have been really lucky to work with some awesome actors. I mean,
Absolutely.
recently जो मैंने Javed Sheikh Saab, Bushra Ansari ji, Fahad, Hania, they were absolutely a pleasure to work with. And I love observing actors. I love observing how they approach their craft, having a conversation with them. उनकी क्या thinking है, वो इस craft को कैसे लेते हैं. तो it's
Right.
just that I just observe them and probably steal a lot from them also.
Okay, okay, interesting. How are you choosing your roles though? Because you know you've played the lead for the longest time. अभी ये है कि आप lead भी कर रहे हो, but you also choose supporting
जी,
characters.
आपका पिछले क्वेश्चन का मैं जवाब दे सकता हूँ.
नहीं दिया अभी.
पार्ट टाइम एक्टर वाला.
Okay,
जो था.
अच्छा अभी हम उस पे हैं.
Yeah. No, this is something full time that I do. This is
Okay.
something that I
Okay.
do. This is something that's I do for a living. I might be an imposter, like this is something I do.
No,
for
why
a
do you
living.
call yourself an imposter?
Because I have imposter syndrome. I think we all have imposter syndrome. Tongue
समझाएं,
twister.
समझाएं.
I mean, कभी कभार भूल जाते हो आप कि आप वो कैरेक्टर हो, कि आप असल में हो, आपके क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं, उस कैरेक्टर के क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. तो कभी कभार आपकी थॉट्स जो है वो मेरे ख्याल में कंफ्यूजन की तरफ चली जाती है. एंड if you're an actor, you become an emotional athlete. Your personal life, your personal thoughts, they do suffer. I'll be very honest about it. I
Right.
mean, आप कोई melodramatic scene करते हो and then the same thing happens in your real life and you realize कि ये तो मैं पहले कर चुका हूँ. ये इस तरह के emotions तो मैं पहले experience कर चुका हूँ.
Right.
So yeah, I mean,
I don't think everybody takes it that deeply, but it's good that you are.
I think we're humans. We all are humans. Everything affects us. Everything जो भी हमारे surroundings में होते हैं हम absorb कर रहे होते हैं और react कर रहे होते हैं उसमें.
Well, somebody very famous said that all men are equal, but some are more equal than others. So I don't think every human being even reacts in the same way. Lekin
Absolutely.
you obviously are.
We
हाँ.
all are different.
We
ऐसे
all are
मैंने पहले
different.
कहा. There's
हाँ.
your way, there's mine. As for the right way, it does not
It
exist.
does not exist.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about Jana Jahan. And Jana Jahan ka character Taimur was a thorough gentleman, very nice character, बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान था. बाद में सवाल ये पूछूंगी कि why are people liking negative characters more? But that's a question that will come later. How did Jana Jahan come to you? Why did you agree to the role since you are very selective?
Jane Jahan was like a cricketer making a comeback in the domestic circuit.
Okay.
Yeah, who had
That
been
was-
out for injury for like 3-4 years.
You call that out for injury? Okay.
Yeah, not
ठीक है,
not
ठीक है.
performing, not playing.
ठीक है.
So Sana one fine day called me and she pitched this and उन्होंने मुझे brief किया about Taimur and I was thinking कि ये बहुत बड़ा gig नहीं है. I was very much aware कि he will be playing an important role in the story, but the story would not be revolving around him, or he will not be making a lot of impact in the story. Yes, he will be there. And फिर एक दो लोगों से जिनसे मैं मशवरा करता हूँ उनसे बात की and I told them कि मेरे ख्याल में now is the time to make a comeback. And they were very supportive and they said कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And then Hamza and Aiza, now अब मैं set पे चला गया हूँ. And coming back from PTSD, they were very, very sensitive to my feelings,
Yeah.
very nice to me, and I had a very good time having the आप कह सकते हैं just sharing the pitch innings with Hamza. We made such a brotherly bond.
And we're going to have a lot of cricket analogy today in the conversation. ठीक है, great.
Yeah,
हाँ,
for sure you will.
For sure.